Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. I'm so excited. So I know you guys have been waiting for the winner of the giveaway. I felt like it was perfect timing because I got an order in that I used some birthday money on from that birthday weekend. So I was like, I'm gonna do a haul and reveal the winner. So without further ado, here is our winner. Yay! Congratulations to Rhonda Miller. I will leave information down below so that way you'll know how to contact me. I'm going to leave my email address, and all I need from you is your name and email address, and I will have the $25 gift card email straight to you. And congratulations. I hope you have a fun time shopping at Simon Says Stamp. And yeah, all that good stuff. So let's dive into some more goodies, shall we? So my best friend Beatrice sent me a $50 gift certificate to the Ton, which is a stamp company that I don't get to purchase from often, but I really do love their stamps. Like even this one right here, this would be fun to color, and it's a nice small little cute stamp. They have these new dewdrops that would go really pretty on like some of the flower stamps, and it's clear, so you'll be able to see a little bit of the color through it. They look fun. And years ago, maybe a couple of years ago, the Ton came out with that first bow stamp, that one right there, and I remember seeing it being used. I can't remember by who, and I thought, you know what, I need to have the stamp set. So they had that one, and then they also had a mega bow. So I got both, and I just love how they're the 3 layers, the light, medium, and dark. I love it. Oh yeah, heart symbol for this stamp. Oh my god, I can't wait to color this, right? And it's got great sentiments, so many of them that go with the bigger happy and hello, and then you can layer them up depending on what you want to say. I'm really excited about this one. So much fun. And then I also got this orchid stamp, which, I mean, it's so pretty. Look at this. You get the outside flowers, right? You stamp 3 times to get the shape, and then you also get an inside stamp, and then you get the leaves and the stem and a pot. Okay, so the pot doesn't have a 3-layer, but everything else does. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna take out the backing um the piece that they put in with it, so that you can have, basically it's like a little key for you, so you can see how they're supposed to look, how they line up. And then, I mean, it's a huge stamp. I'm lining my hand up against there so you could see for a brief second, but it's pretty big. And I like how there's 3 different flowers, and each of the flowers has the inside part, and then obviously the 3 stamps color, for the flower itself. And then you have double stamping for the leaves. And I mean, this is just fun. And then you even got these little tiny bits. I'm going to point out one to you in a second, but it allows you to create a longer arch on your stem for the orchid to give it that, that orchid look. You know what I'm talking about when you see them in the store. So these are going to be so much fun to really play with. And I just one more time want to just acknowledge our raffle winner, Miss Rhonda Miller. Congratulations. Seriously, I really do hope that you have fun shopping over at Simon Says Stamp. And thank you everybody who supported and have been with me for so long. I'm so excited to be, continue to grow. And all your comments that you left on the previous video where everything was raffled from, I will be looking into all those suggestions that you guys gave me. And really and truly, you guys, my heart is full, and I'm just so happy and thankful. Here's to more years to come, right? And more subscribers and more raffles. Yay! All right, so here are close-ups of my little haul. And like I said before, Miss Rhonda, if you are watching or you just popping on, down in the more section, you will get my email address. Please email me your name and your email address so that way I can get this gift certificate emailed over to you quickly and you can get to shopping. All right, you guys, I hope you have a great Sunday.